Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Red-Tail RC Airplane is a high-quality warbird-style remote control plane designed for adult hobbyists and RC enthusiasts. With a 66.9-inch, 1,700mm wingspan, the 6-channel, 6CH RC plane delivers an impressive scale appearance and performance, replicating the legendary World War II P-51 Mustang Red-Tail fighter. Built for stability and realism, the model features functional flaps, enhancing slow-speed control and improving takeoffs and landings. The pre-installed LED lights add to the realism, making the plane visually appealing during flight. Additionally, the retractable landing gear further enhances its authentic design while improving aerodynamics during flight. The powerful brushless motor and efficient ESC electronic speed controller provide smooth and responsive control, allowing for stable flights and aerobatic maneuvers. The P-51 Mustang Red-Tail is designed in a PNP plug-and-play configuration, meaning that the servos, motor, and ESC come pre-installed. However, users must supply their own transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger, allowing for customization based on personal preference. Constructed from durable EPO foam, the airframe is lightweight yet strong enough to withstand rough landings and minor crashes. The large wingspan ensures excellent stability and smooth gliding, making it suitable for both experienced pilots and those looking to advance their RC flying skills. Overall, the FMS P-51 Mustang Red-Tail RC Airplane is an excellent choice for warbird enthusiasts who want a realistic, high-performance, and feature-rich model. Its combination of scale detailing, retractable landing gear, functional flaps, and LED lighting makes it an exciting addition to any RC pilot's collection, offering both thrilling flight performance and historical appeal. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly 4-channel, 4CH, remote control airplane designed for new pilots, kids, and adults who want an easy-to-fly and durable RC aircraft. With a 500mm wingspan, this compact and lightweight plane is an excellent choice for learning the basics of RC flying. A key feature of the Sport Cub is its 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which enhances flight stability, making it easier for beginners to control. The built-in 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow users to gradually improve their skills. In beginner mode, the plane has full stabilization and auto-leveling, helping prevent crashes. Intermediate mode provides partial stabilization, allowing for more control, while expert mode removes stabilization for full manual control, ideal for experienced pilots who want to perform aerobatic maneuvers. The prop saver technology is another valuable feature, designed to protect the propeller during crashes or hard landings. This helps prevent damage and extends the plane's lifespan, making it more cost-effective for beginners who may experience frequent mishaps. The Ready-to-Fly (RTF) package includes everything needed to start flying right away, such as the transmitter, battery, and charger. Its lightweight yet durable EPP foam construction ensures crash resistance while keeping the plane easy to handle in flight. With its easy handling, built-in stabilization, and durable design, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is an excellent trainer RC plane for beginners. Whether for kids or adults, its smooth performance and protective features make learning to fly an enjoyable and stress-free experience. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is a high-performance BNF, bind and fly, basic model designed for pilots who want versatility, stability, and power. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, this SOL, short takeoff and landing, aircraft is ideal for a variety of flying conditions, from smooth runways to rough terrain and even water landings, thanks to the included float set. Equipped with AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis technology, the turbo timber provides a smoother flying experience by counteracting wind and turbulence. It also features Safe Select, which helps beginners by offering self-leveling and bank angle limits. More advanced pilots can disable Safe Select for full manual control and aerobatic maneuvers. The powerful brushless motor and high-performance ESC deliver impressive power, allowing for quick takeoffs, tight turns, and even basic aerobatics. The ACOL capability, combined with oversized Tundra-style wheels, enables the turbo timber to take off and land in confined spaces, including rough fields and gravel surfaces. Another key feature is the slotted flaps, which improve lift and control at low speeds, making landings and takeoffs easier. The plane also includes LED navigation and landing lights, adding to its scale realism and allowing for better visibility in low-light conditions. Since this is a BNF basic version, pilots will need to supply their own Spectrum-compatible transmitter, battery, and charger. The durable EPO foam construction makes the aircraft lightweight yet strong enough to withstand rough landings. With its versatile landing options, powerful performance, and beginner-friendly stabilization features, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is an excellent choice for pilots looking for a fun and capable STOL aircraft. Whether flying from grass, pavement, or water, it delivers an exciting and smooth flying experience. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX 803 RC Plane is a 2-channel remote control airplane designed for beginners, kids, and adults looking for an easy-to-fly and fun RC aircraft. Featuring a 2.4 GHz transmitter, this plane ensures stable and interference-free control, making it suitable for multiple users flying at the same time. One of its standout features is the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization, which enhances flight stability and makes it easier for beginners to control. The self-leveling system helps keep the plane steady in the air, preventing crashes and making takeoffs and landings smoother. Constructed from lightweight and durable EPP foam, the FX 803 is resistant to minor crashes, ensuring longevity even in the hands of new pilots. Its glider-style design allows for extended flight times with smooth and stable gliding performance. With a simple 2-channel control system, throttle and direction, this RC plane is easy to operate, making it an excellent choice for first-time flyers. The rechargeable battery provides decent flight time, and the USB charging option makes recharging convenient. The FX 803 RC plane is an RTF, ready-to-fly, model, meaning it comes fully assembled and ready for immediate use. Just charge the battery, and it's ready to take off. Overall, the Makerfire FX 803 is a great entry-level RC plane for beginners. Its gyro-assisted stability, lightweight foam construction, simple controls, and durable design make it a fantastic choice for kids and adults looking to enjoy the thrill of RC flying without a steep learning curve. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC airplane designed for both kids and adults who want an easy and fun flying experience. With 3 flight modes, this plane allows pilots to gradually improve their flying skills, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. One of its key features is the easy U-turn function, which simplifies navigation and makes it easier to bring the plane back if it flies too far. The 3 flight modes cater to different skill levels. Beginner mode offers assisted flight with auto-stabilization, intermediate mode provides partial control with some assistance, and expert mode allows full manual control for advanced maneuvers. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures a stable signal, preventing interference when flying with multiple planes. The lightweight yet durable construction allows the plane to withstand minor crashes, making it perfect for new pilots. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Leambe RC plane provides a decent flight time before needing a quick recharge. Its aerodynamic design ensures smooth gliding and stable flight, even in light wind conditions. This RTF, ready-to-fly, model comes fully assembled, so users can start flying right out of the box after charging the battery. The intuitive controls, U-turn functionality, and multiple flight modes make it a stress-free learning experience. Overall, the Leambe remote control aircraft plane is an excellent choice for those looking for a user-friendly and durable RC airplane. Whether for kids or adults, its stabilized flight system, easy controls, and durability make it a great entry-level aircraft for fun and skill building.